The English alphabet. A. Letter A sounds as in ant, apple, add, arm. B. Letter B sounds B, as in bag, boy, bed, bob, bulk. C. Letter C sounds K, as in car, cat, can, cup, cook. D. Letter D sounds D, as in dog, den, dig, dad. E. Letter E sounds as in egg, end, 8. F. Letter F sounds as in fat, fish, fed, fun. G. Letter G sounds G, as in get, got, gun. H. Letter H sounds as in hat, hen, heed, hand. I. Letter I sounds as in it, is, in, ink. J. Letter J sounds J, as in jar, jet, jot, jug. K. Letter K sounds K, as in can, kid, caught, could. M. Letter M sounds M, as in man, met, meet, moon, mud. N. Letter N sounds N, as in nut, net, neat, not. O. Letter O sounds O, as in ox, on, onion, orange. P. Letter P sounds P, as in pot, pen, pin, pot. Q. Letter Q sounds Q, as in quick, quest, quit, quat. R. Letter R sounds R, as in rat, rat, read, rot, root. S. Letter S sounds S, as in sat, set, sin, sun, sued. T, T. Letter T sounds T, as in tax, tent, tin, turn, tune. U, U. Letter U sounds U, as in urn, fufu, juju, voodoo. V, V. Letter V sounds V, as in vat, ven, vim, vote. W,